Hi everybody! Welcome back to our video series, which we've decided to call Craft Chat. So hi, welcome to Craft Chat. Today I want to talk to you about jump rings. Jump rings are a very important finding. And I'll back up. Findings are all little bits and pieces you need when you're putting together jewelry. It's what you do to make the beads connect to the chain, to make the pendant connect to the ear wire. Findings are all little bits and pieces you need. And jump rings, in my mind, are one of the most important findings. Probably 90% of jewelry that you buy or make is going to involve jump rings. Here's an example of something my mom bought for me that I recently fixed because the jump rings popped. But this one has lots of different rings on it. Even something that's all beaded will usually have a jump ring maybe on the clasp. So it's good to know what they are and how to use them. They come in different sizes and different metal finishes. You can see they can be small, they can be big, they can be oval sometimes. But I've made this novelty size jump ring to show you a demonstration of how to use them. So a jump ring is any loop that's used in jewelry making. There are closed jump rings, but we want to work with open jump rings. Open jump rings are a loop and it's got a little slice in it so you can basically open it, slip things on, and close it again. So what's very important when you open a jump ring, and I'll show you, I learned this last night, you open it like this, not like this. So if you pull the two sides of your circle apart, it's going to be hard to get them back into a circle shape. But if you have your circle and you are able to twist one end away from the other, it comes back together. So here is now our novelty size jump ring. So if I want to open this, I'm going to take two pairs of pliers. Any two pairs of pliers are good. I'm going to hold it on two sides. You need these when you're working with tiny jump rings. You could use your hands with big jump rings. But I'll demonstrate with pliers because this is how you'll do it with little ones. So you take your two pliers and you'll twist your hands. So now your jump ring is open like this. It's a weird shape, but then you can string it through a length of chain, through something. Let's see if it'll fit through there. There we go. And then to close it, you just twist it back in the same orientation. So you're going to twist it back, and then those two ends are going to meet to keep the circle. And that's how a jump ring works. We've got them here at Craft Habit, all different kinds. If you want to learn more about findings and putting jewelry together, we have a class called Jewelry Fix and Remix that we do every couple months, and I've got it on the calendar for, I think, March and May coming up. Other jewelry classes we do, one called Earring Wardrobe is a great way to learn more about findings. And when you come into our classes, you will get to use our fantastic little tool set with everything you need right here in the class, and then you can buy your own to take home with you. So thank you for joining us at Craft Chat, and I will see you next time.